Mga kaibigan, na isang magandang araw at saka yung mga kaibigan natin sa iba't ibang panig ng buong mundo at sa buong Pilipinas, mga kaibigan. Just we are here to discuss a lot of things to be understand, no? Kasi there is a lot of Filipino people who do not understand what is the proper procedure of law. No, ito yung palagi kong sinasabi ho dito, mga kaibigan. We receive a lot of calls. We receive a lot of arrogant. We receive for a lot of people they do not understand everything about this. So that's why, mga kaibigan, kailangan natin, kinahanglan na to mahibalaan. O di punta magpa-bright. I'm just informing you in the first place, I am not an expert here. I am not lawyer. I am not everything about this. But I only want to do informations to reiterate these kinds of informations to all of you. Especially, I received as early as now a call from the people out there. And it is from the barangay, which is the secretary of the barangay here in our EOR, that is stating that there is one complainant from our station in which the advice of our this officer, you will go to a barangay, either you settled or not, and then if you are not satisfied of the amicable settlement, and then just done first in barangay, meaning you can summon of your kalaban, and then if you are not satisfied, if you are not both side, you are not to agree that kind of settlement from the barangay, at least done by 3 hearings, and then the certificate of file actions or the CFE will be issued by the barangay. Ang sinasabi doon, they will introduce into the barangay, and they will ask for the CFA because it is the advice of the police. It is not advised by the police officer to know the law. Hindi po ganun ang advice. Ang advice is for you to ganun, alam daw niya batas. Alam mo batas, bakit ka pumunta sa dyan? Hindi ka na magdadaan pa dyan sa barangay, sa pulis. Diretso ka na. Alam mo ng batas, di ba? Hindi po tayo ganon. Just to be understand by the procedure. Kasi, if you are not satisfied or they are not address your needs, and then you blame the police. And then you are not listening carefully. What was the advice of the police? What is the advice of the law enforcement officer, which is the procedure? It is not beyond of this, everything out there. It is centered with you, the one who needs help. Ganun ho ang ating kapulisan sa buong Pilipinas. They are not police for everything. They are police by the country. They are policed by the law. They are policed by the community. They are policed by the territory and boundaries of the Philippines, which is archipelagic nation. Ito, akala siguro niya, maalam na siya. They are a lot of knowledge than the police officer. And then, napahiya siya pagpunta doon. And then, what was the result? They blame the police officer. They blame the police officer that Jesus Mariusip. It is not correct. If you know the law and you are very arrogant or very dapper one person, and then that's the result of you. That is a boomerang with you. It is not the advice of our officer. Just I'm talking here in reality. Because there is a lot of people out there na mas matalino pa, mas marami pang alam. Kung marami kayong alam, just ask for the procedure. Kalimitan yung iba nga mas hambugiro-hambugira pa sa mga nakakatapos ng pag-aaral. Yung iba hindi marunong pumill up. Either the biodata, everything. Hindi marunong sumulat, pero hambugiro-hambugira. So that is the Filipino culture. It's very toxic in character. No? They will downgrade a certain police officer in the front of. Kung ganun po ang nalalaman nyo sa batas, hindi na kayo dadaan ng istasyon. I'm just telling you, we are just not in that, mga kaibigan. Because police officer is police ng Panginoon. Police ng Diyos. Kaya kahit masama ho kayo, kahit pinakamasama pa man yan, unless hindi yan manglaban during the operation, during the apprehension, and then they will preserve the rights. They will preserve everything. The privileged rights under of the Philippine Constitution. Ganun ho ang magmahal ang pulis. Ganun ho magmahal ang isang pulis, mga kaibigan. And then, later, you ask everything, and then you are not satisfied, and then you blame the police, you disgrade the police. What is it? Especially for those criminals in PA, many other syndicates, terrorist groups in this country, who are willing to kill by the certain police officer of this country. If they are not, if this terrorist syndicate groups, drug lords, and many others, akyat bahay, no, mga kawatan is not sir. Pag ito po'y napatay ng isang police, the police officer will be undergo by the admin case and criminal case, which is called a motu proprio. Kayo, pag napatay niyong pulis, magtatago pa kayo. Mga gunggong, mga putang ina nyo.